We're live. We're on video.
Oh, okay.
Hey, friends, Facebook friends.
Hi.
So we were having a little bit of a rough day with our feelings, right?
Mm-hmm.
And Mom was getting frustrated. So we decided to take out our oils, and we also thought that it would be nice to pick out one or a couple for Clara and make some kitty rollers. So I asked her to smell a few of the calming, happy oils. Hey, Tina, how's it going? And I asked Clara to smell a few, and I said, okay, which oils would make you happy right now, right? Which oils would make you feel better? Because we had a lot of emotions today.
These did.
Yeah, so no, it was actually this one that you picked.
Yeah.
And this one that you picked.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, do you want to hold them up for the camera? Show them right there. And then Mom had to put on some oils to make her feel better too. So this one is the one I put on. It's called White Angelica.
Yeah.
And I also put on, where is it? My Progessence Plus roller. So this one actually supports healthy hormones and natural balance. So you know how you feel when your hormones are all out of whack, right? Hey, Amy, how's it going? It was so awesome meeting you at convention. So Mommy had to put on her special oils to make herself feel better, and then we put some special oils on Clara to help her feel better. So then we decided, let's make some rollers. Let's make her own little kit that she can have and that she can reach anytime she's having some big emotions, right? Yeah, Progessence Plus is like a must-have. I literally could not find my travel bag for 3 days after getting back from convention, which had my Progessence Plus in it, and I was already getting moody. I was like, where's my Progessence Plus? Where is it? I literally ripped the house apart. I was so irritable. But I found it today, so now I'm feeling better.
Yeah.
Hi. So yay. Okay, so back to kitty rollers. So we decided we're going to make Clara her own little set of rollers, and she can put them in this little fabric bag. And you can write on the bag with markers, like permanent fabric markers, and it won't wash off. So you can make little decorations and stuff like that. So we're going to put them in there. And we also decorated the rollers with stickers, just her stickers. So this is a unicorn roller. And this one is a mellow heart, and it says dreamer. So that's going to be the sleepy roller.
This is tummy.
And this one's tummy roller. And we picked donuts because we thought if you eat too many donuts, you know how you feel when you eat too many donuts, right? So we're going to make a tummy roller in our donut roller. And then to make it even more fun, we're going to add glitter, and it's going to be just super fun, right? So unicorn roller is going to be to help her feel more like a unicorn, right? Just special and happy and unique and just help with emotions, right? So she picked this one called Joy, which is super happy roller. Hey, Tamra, how's it going? And she also picked Peace and Calming, which I thought were just two perfect rollers for that, right? All right, Clara, so we're going to make your unicorn roller first. Okay, so here's a little unicorn. So all you do to make a roller is you get these roller balls or roller bottles. You can get them on Amazon, and they have these are 5 ml size. Hi. Oh, thanks. And then you have a little roller top, right? And then a lid. And so what this does is it helps, you can dilute essential oils this way, or you can help them last longer, or they're easy, makes them easy on the go, right? So then you can take them anywhere you go. You can put them in your purse.
What?
So, all right, you want to help me? We're going to make your unicorn roller. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
All right. So the first one we're going to do is Joy. Okay, do you want to see if you can try dripping it in there?
Yeah.
We're going to put a few drops in that roller, okay?
How much?
1, 2, 3. Maybe we'll do a little more. Turn it up. There we go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to do 8 joy.
Okay.
All right, so the joy is in the roller. And now we're going to do peace and calming. How does that smell? Does it smell good?
Yep.
Or how does that make you feel? Yeah, okay. Madeline wants to join Mandy. I don't know if you guys can hear her. All right, now we're going to do peace and calming. And Clara noticed that this one actually has a blue color because it has blue tansy in it.
Yeah.
And it makes the oil blue. So see how this one's going to be kind of a darker color.
And now
So hopefully we can still see the glitter in there.
And now we are gonna put some glitter in.
I know. Well, first let's put a little carrier oil. So for these ones, I'm going to use fractionated coconut oil.
Can I put it in?
Because it's, and the reason why I wanted to use that with these glitter rollers is because it's a little more viscous, like thicker. So the glitter will, move slower. And then it's also clear because some of the carrier oils I use have like a greenish tint. Yep, you can put it in. So wait till you get the little thing on the bottle and then squeeze. All right, we're going to put the carrier oil in there. Okay, so now we'll add some glitter. That's super fun, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, where's that little
Which
funnel?
side?
There it is. Here it is.
Which side?
Okay, let's get the funnel ready so we don't
Which
have
side?
glitter everywhere.
Mom, which side?
Okay, this side.
Okay.
Okay, we got to pour. It'll come out really fast, so just pour it a little bit. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, good. A little bit more. Whoa, okay, that's a pink roller. That's a lot of glitter. That's okay. I mean, come on. Who can have too much glitter? Oh, yeah, hold it up to like this right in there. See that? See the glitter in there? So pretty. All right, do you still want to do the other colors?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll try to do not as much because we're filling that thing up with glitter right now. There's a lot of pink in there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we'll do a little purple. Okay.
Well, that's a lot of purple.
Oh, yeah, that's a lot. That looks really pretty. Look at that. See?
Ah.
You guys see that in there?
Ooh.
Kind of
Ah.
floating in there. So pretty. And so when you roll it on your skin, oh,
Sorry.
that's okay.
Used
When
to
you roll it on
get
your
it
skin, a
small.
little glitter will come out. I know. You, girl, Amy, you don't even know. There's so much glitter in this house. Not too long ago, I found this one with some glitter, and it was all over the floor. And she said, Mom, but I wanted to make our carpet beautiful. And I was like, how do I get mad at that, right? But I did have to get out the vacuum because that was a lot of glitter everywhere. Too, glitter everywhere. But glitter is pretty in a roller, right? Yeah, so we're going to fill that up the rest of the way with our carrier oil. And then we're going to pop the top off. Are you putting a little glitter on there?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I'm gonna make
And then we're
the
gonna put the
leftover.
roller top on it. We'll shake it up a little bit. Well, that was a lot of pink glitter in there, Clara.
Yeah.
What do you think of that? This is a glitter-filled roller right here. Oh my goodness, look at how much glitter is in there.
Wait, let me.
See?
Ah.
It's pretty though. It's super pretty. All right, put a little more carrier oil on there just to fill it up to the very tippy top. Yeah, so rollers are super easy to make, right? And now, look at that. Look at how pretty that is. Let's try it out. See if you can roll it on your wrist and see if any glitter comes out. Does some glitter come out? Ooh. So pretty. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell, but she got a little glitter on her wrist right there. All right, so that's your unicorn roller, and that's perfect unicorn colors because it's like pink
What is it
and
for again?
blue. That's to make you feel like a unicorn. Which, how does a unicorn feel?
I don't know.
Like happy,
Yeah.
special,
Yeah.
and unique, right? So that's how a unicorn might feel.
Can you get the stickers and I want to sew them too?
Yeah, so we just took some stickers that she had, and you can use any stickers, right?
They got drawn on a little by Madeline.
Madeline likes to draw on everything.
Yeah.
But you can really just use any stickers and get the kids involved and make them a fun little roller. So let's make Sleepy, right? Sleepy roller.
Okay.
So for that one, we're gonna use Sleepy Eyes. This is the one that I put on your guys' toes.
Oh.
Oh yeah, that one. They're funny at night when I put the sleepy oil on their toes. This one's like, no, not the sleepy oil. I don't want to go to sleep. It's hilarious. But summer is rough, so you need a little extra help, right? Am I right?
Oops.
That's okay. That's good.
I put it right inside.
No, that's perfect. All right, so what color glitter should we put in our sleepy roller? What do you think?
I like silver.
Yeah, silver, kind of like stars, huh? Kind of like stars.
Okay,
All
I'll
right.
be really careful.
All right, why don't we do the other side that comes out slower? Okay, let's try that. Yeah, shake it a little bit. Oh, that's good. It's coming out good. Maybe a little more. Yeah, a little more. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Good.
I'm going to take the leftover.
Yeah, of course.
For my lips.
I know you're going to have glitter lips. All right, a little fractionated coconut oil. Just top it off. So then she can, she'll have her little sleepy roller. And I can just say, hey, Clara, it's time for bed. Go get your sleepy roller. It's time to go into dreamland. Hey, Denise. Hey, Jen. How's it going?
I once had the
Look at
scariest
these ones. So,
dream.
that
It
does.
was so haunted.
Oh, no. Scary dreams. Well,
It
we've
was
got,
so
we've got an oil
haunted.
to help with that.
Mm-hmm.
We've got an oil to help with scary dreams. That one's called Dream Catcher. So look at that. Isn't that pretty? What do you think, Clara? Is that pretty?
It's very pretty.
Very pretty. So I think if we had planned this, you could even buy stickers for that purpose. Like it would be fun to do something with like a moon and stars or something on that. But I found this one said #dreamer. So we'll just remember that that's sleepy oil.
Madeline's using some silver.
Oh no. Okay. We better hurry this up then. Okay, we have one more to do. Our tummy roller. All right, you gonna help me with this? Let's put a little.
Of course.
We're gonna use the Kid Sense tummy jies in there, and that's for when you eat too many donuts, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that one smells pretty good actually. Hey Melinda, how's it going? There's a grown-up version of the tummy oil that is very potent smelling. This one's a little more mild, a little more like kid-friendly type smelling. They're not too.
I want this.
It's Digi is the adult one. It's for kids too. You can totally use it for
Wait,
kids.
did we already use purple?
We haven't used purple. You want to use purple in this one?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's do the side that doesn't come out very fast. Okay, good. Yeah, so the grown-up version, well, it's just a different version of Digestive Blend, and it just smells a lot more like, ooh, potent.
Let me get it out.
Oh boy, that one did come out a little fast, huh?
Please.
Okay. So we got purple in that one. That one's got a lot of purple glitter. So now we'll do the carrier oil. And this one, when you eat too many donuts, you just roll it right on your tummy. That's it. That's all you do. Super easy.
Well,
Easy.
when you eat too much.
And what do you think, Clara? Does it make your tummy feel better?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where's our roller top? Oh, there it is. Okay. So we got that one done. Now, that one's a little hard to get on. Okay. All right, let's see how that one looks. Shake it up a little.
Beautiful.
That one's got a lot of purple in it.
Look at my lipsies.
That's when the kid controls the glitter. You get a lot of purple in there, huh? It looks
Can
pretty
I roll it
though.
on my lips?
Yep. No, not this one's not for your lips. This one's for your tummy. But that actually brings up a good point. Oh, hey, Amy. Yes, you totally should. Good idea. All right, we'll talk to you later. So that actually brings up a super good point. Oh my God. Idea alert. Idea alert. Okay. You could use these same little rollers to make lip gloss. That would work so well. I would use like castor oil instead. Okay, Claire, sit back. So if I were to do lip gloss in these, I would probably do castor oil as a carrier oil. It's thicker and it's very glossy. It goes on super glossy. It's pretty. And then I think I found this stuff I've used in lip gloss before. Hey, Carla.
Pretty.
It's like dust that they use in baking, like for frosting and stuff like that, or decoration on cakes. And you can just put that stuff in lip gloss. So you could totally make a lip gloss tube, have a little lip gloss making party. Yeah, middle school flashbacks, right? Do you remember those gloss tubes? What were those things called?
I'm standing on
Those were so cool. Like bubblegum something. They had like bubblegum flavor but anyways, you could totally make a lip gloss out of these and get some of that shimmer dust with like food safe. Okay. All right. And put a little shimmer dust. Put some castor oil in here. I would probably put a little vitamin E too. That always helps. And then you could do essential oils. Like you could do like orange is really yummy on the lips. You could do mint. You could do oil. I mean, there's so many. Lavender is great on lips. So many options. But anyways, so that's what we did. We made some kitty rollers today with some help from the kiddos. So that's super cute and easy. What do you think, Clara? Here's your rollers. Here's your rollers.
Ooh,
I know, it's kind of
I
sunny.
like this one the most.
Yeah, you like the unicorn one the best? I think I do too. That one's super pretty. Hey, Jen, how's it going? All right, well, we're wrapping it up.
Is it Zen?
No, it's not your sister, Jen. It's a different Jen. Look at your glitter lips. You're so funny. All right, well, we've had fun making some glitter rollers with you guys today. I hope you got some cool and fun tips to help the kiddos with some emotions and some tummies and some sleep, and then also help the moms out there. Because I don't know if you saw what I applied in the beginning, but I did the White Angelica, which is called Patience in a Bottle. It's a must-have for moms, and the Progessence Plus, because that helps when the hormones get out of whack. And that's pretty much every single mom. Hate to say it, but it is. All right. Have a great day, you guys. It was fun hanging out. Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.